start with an idea, a certain vision for the future. You build that idea, brick by brick, piece by piece. As the cement dries, the real mission comes into focus. To educate and inspire through the wonders of spaceflight. To have the courage to lead the next generation to their fullest potential. To look forward towards the future while honoring the past. And although the center has changed over the years, the people have not. We still have the leaders, the teachers, the protectors, and the collaborators. We still have the ones we rely on.